Hi, this is Fritz Onion from Pluralsight, and I'm going to be presenting this module on JavaScript. This module is going to cover many aspects of the JavaScript language, but our main focus for this discussion is going to be a lead-in to how ASP.NET Ajax uses JavaScript. So it's not going to be we're not going to cover some of the simple expressions and operators and that sort of thing. We'll assume that you're comfortable with how to do basic things in JavaScript. But what we will focus on is some of the higher order features of the language. How do you accomplish object orientation is going to be the main goal of this discussion. So hopefully you have some experience with JavaScript at this point. And the goal here is to sort of get you up to the next level to make sure you can understand how ASP.NET Ajax uses JavaScript in its implementation to sort of mimic C#-like functionality. So for a roadmap, we're going to start off with a little bit of history of JavaScript, where to come from, what's the, why is this sort of the predominant language out there on the web today? And then step back and take just a brief look at JavaScript, the language, make sure everyone's comfortable with some of the fundamental differences between JavaScript and other languages you might be used to. Touch on DOM programming, programming in the browser. That's something you'll end up doing quite a bit of when you're building Ajax-enabled applications, is using JavaScript to manipulate the DOM. So we'll make sure everyone's comfortable with the DOM paradigm and how that works. And as I mentioned before, most of this discussion is going to be focused on object orientation in JavaScript. That is, how do we accomplish construction of classes and encapsulation of methods and properties and that sort of thing, so that we can map our server-side constructs in C# onto similar constructs in our client-side JavaScript.